In this video, I'm walking you through how to knead dough by hand and how to knead dough with a stand mixer. And most importantly, how to know when your dough is ready, including a simple little trick called the window pane test. First, let's dive into how to knead your dough by hand. Kneading by hand is totally doable and honestly kind of relaxing once you get into the rhythm. Here's how to do it. Place your dough on a lightly floured surface. Next, you'll use the heel of your hand to just push the dough away from you. Then you'll fold it back over itself, give it a quarter turn, and repeat. Push, fold, turn, push, fold, turn. Try to resist the urge to keep adding more flour. A slightly sticky dough is totally normal in the beginning. Too much flour can make your bread dry and dense. You'll knead your dough by hand for about 8 to 10 minutes. Over time, the dough will go from shaggy and lumpy to smooth and stretchy. If you've got a stand mixer, kneading is even easier. Here's how to do it. You'll attach the dough hook to your mixer. Start mixing on low speed to bring the dough together, and then increase to medium-low. You don't want to mix at too high of a speed, or you could risk burning out your motor or over kneading your dough. Let it knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's working when the dough starts pulling away from the sides and forming a ball. If the dough clings to the bottom of the bowl, that's totally normal, especially with a wetter dough. But if it's really sticking, pause and scrape down the sides or add just a tiny bit more flour. Here's a pro tip: don't walk away. Stand mixers are strong and over kneading is possible. Now for the big question: how do you know when you've kneaded enough? Here's what to look for. First, the dough should be smooth and elastic. It should also bounce back slowly when you press a finger into it. And here's the best test of all, the window pane test. Just grab a small piece of dough and gently stretch it between your fingers. If it stretches thin enough that you can see light through it without tearing, that means that the gluten is developed and your dough is ready for its first rise. If it tears easily or feels weak, give it another couple of minutes of kneading and try again. And that's it. Kneading is all about building structure so your bread can rise tall and bake beautifully. Whether you're working the dough by hand or letting your mixer do the heavy lifting, now you know exactly what to look for.